Welcome to Miss Ernest Spanish 1 course for 6th grade students. This is an online blended course, meaning that we'll meet both face-to-face and online here in this WikiSpace. The right-hand menu really gives you a layout of the course, including pages for about this course, the welcome letter to both students and parents. It also gives you a page to introduce you to me as the teacher, a little bit about my background, and of course the class syllabus, which this, as well as the welcome letter, includes the communication policy, which I strongly encourage. By the end of this module, students will learn how to properly conjugate regular AR verbs in Spanish using them with their subject pronouns. The subject pronouns is lesson 1, in which students will be able to identify and use subject pronouns with verbs in Spanish in order to identify and articulate who is completing an action. There are some questions to get them to think about what subject pronouns are. Do we have these in English? And it really activates their background knowledge. The main chunk of this lesson is taking guided notes based off of a screencast that I've recorded using a PowerPoint, which I've included for them as well. I've included a supplemental PowerPoint as well as a supplemental subject pronoun song. Lastly, they have their practice worksheet that they're expected to download, bring into class, and that is something that they can work on in small groups in class and be able to ask questions. That will really be able to tell me how much of the lesson that they were able to grasp from the previous materials. There's a discussion forum at the bottom, which I've encouraged them to use to post any questions so that I or their peers can help them. I've also included some other great resources along this menu page on the right-hand side, which I strongly encourage you to check out. Thank you.